Shinto Ekström here, Sweden. People Power Sweden page. Keep following, keep liking it. Today I'm going to show you how to use the satellites and no data. So that means free network for all people in diaspora, all people in Uganda, especially for you guys in Uganda. So let me show you how to put it on. Okay, you see the Wi-Fi is on. You see the data is on. You have the flight mode. You press on the flight mode. Wi-Fi is off. Data is off. You're going back. You're going to the normal call place. And you put star, hashtag, 4, 6, 3, 6, hashtag, star. You're coming in a mode. Can you film so we're coming so they can really see it? Up here on the first, you're pressing. You have phone 0, phone 1. You press on phone 0. After you have this one. That's called mobile radio. You put it on. Now it's on. Now they are connected. You go out. Let me put them off. Everything. So you see. We go here. And we wait a bit. We can go on Bobby Wine's music. Remember, we are using the satellite, so it's not too fast, you know. We are here. Let us play some Bobby Wine. It's kind of slow, but what? You can see it's working. Yeah, man. Bobby Wine. Okay, so
okay guys, now this is the second part. You see our Facebook and not use our Facebook, then you just come here, you connect your data, even if you have or you don't have, then you place the flight mode. Okay, data will switch off. Then you come, you place the dial pad, you press star hash, then 4 6 3 6, then you press hash again star. Then they will show you information. For me I use SIM 2. Then you press SIM 2. After you come here, mobile radio power, then you switch it on. Then you can use now your Facebook as you want. Guys, follow and like the video. As you can see, you can watch each and everything you need on Facebook, all videos, everything. You can watch live.